Welcome. In this section, we'll learn about the different types of brain injury in children. You'll discover how doctors group injuries, how your child's diagnosis fits within those groups, and what that means for care and school support. You might wonder, why learn about brain injury types? Understanding the type of injury helps you see where your child's diagnosis fits in the broader category of brain injury, gain clear language to explain your child's condition to others, and speak up and make sure your child receives the supports they need at school and in daily life. Acquired brain injury, or ABI, simply means an injury that happens after birth. ABIs can result from many different causes, and they are grouped into two main types: traumatic and non-traumatic. Traumatic brain injury, often called TBI, happens from an external force, like a car accident, fall, sports injury, or abuse. Non-traumatic brain injury, or NTBI, happens from internal medical causes such as stroke, tumor, infection, lack of oxygen, or cancer treatments that affect the brain. Both types can change how a child learns, behaves, and participates at school. Doctors describe TBI severity as mild, moderate, or severe. They use tests such as brain imaging, the Glasgow Coma Scale, and neuropsychological assessments. These help the care team understand what kind of support, therapy, or monitoring your child may need and for how long. You may have heard the term concussion. A concussion is a mild traumatic brain injury, usually caused by a bump or blow to the head, sometimes without visible findings on the imaging scans. Falls, sports, or even whiplash in a car accident can cause mild TBI. The key takeaway is that even mild injuries can affect attention, fatigue, or behavior, and children still need rest and follow-up care. Non-traumatic injuries aren't usually labeled mild, moderate, or severe. Instead, they're described by cause, such as anoxic, infectious, or tumor-related, and by how much of the brain is affected. Rehabilitation teams focus on how the injury impacts your child's thinking, movement, and daily function over time. Here's a summary. Acquired brain injury divides into traumatic and non-traumatic causes. Within each, doctors may describe the pattern of injuries as diffuse, meaning many areas, or focal, meaning one specific area. You'll learn more about those patterns look like in the next module. To learn more, visit the CDC's Traumatic Brain Injury page, the Heads Up Initiative for Schools and Coaches, or the Pediatric Brain Tumor Foundation. You can also download the infographics on the resource page to share with your child's teacher or the care team.